What's up, YouTube? It's me, your boy, Mr. Cozy Intelligence. You know, guys, hey, it's been a long time doing a drop, so now I'm here with
Tamsiano
with babies. Tini babies, that's what we like yours.
Ndithi belandana
Jobe Landa. Ayike ngamasefu ni serai one Jobe mfethu.
hayi kodwa
So Jobe like amagama Jobe amagama amapiyane yabo.
yeah
Ufumene groove okanye scale okanye
like la ngoma ndiyithanda ta yabo
So-
mina ndijayivela yeah so wathanda kujoba
so ke uJobe guys. So Jobe on a scale of to 10 like kwicala girls uzrate bani?
icala le-girls like xa ndibizwayo kanye
Hayi kurize yakho like ucala uthina nebabies.
ayazi kabhutwa abantwana
But bana so ungaziphu 9 okanye u10 okanye irize yakho nje
unikwe 8
8. Okay, Chum, those up. 5 minutes, those up. Okay, hi Chum.
Hi.
How are you?
Right, Hannah?
Okay, I'm the right. Okay, Jobe.
ngolo fethi
Hi.
trend
Right, Hannah?
ashon trend ama nchumani inobe andazi okanye like igama lami nokusiya yabo
Yeah.
so bengicela ukwazi wena Joe
Okay, Olindi. And that's most. Calling out,
so olindi fethu yabo ekhona ingakho fethu yabo qha befuna ukuthi ngihlethu
Ain't no competition, just competing for attention and you like I'm not on
so like igama lithi olindi liminisha uthini la wena balula
no games, well baby I've been peeping.
Okay, fine. Okay. Kamalam. Yabo abantu balipronouncea wrong. Kamalam dong Olindi. Sikelele. So Olindi sikelele. Not Olindi. Qha abantu bo bathi Olindi. So ndavena le kama.
wow fethu soft so ke ngoku wena olindi mos
Yeah.
so ke ngoku like ndoni nothanda uyenza kanye chitha
Ngithisa.
yeah
Thangicula.
thanda ucula anongiculela noba ingoma nje incane
That's a bar for life. Say
Yo.
ndacela ndifuna ivoice yakho bra
Wow, ndiyacela Mesia zizothini intaba zami xa zibona impumelelo yami.
Awu ucula kamandi nabo.
Yeah.
Otherwise ucula kanjani like yabona ngiculayo mhlawumbe ucula wena like uyifa njani nandi like
I feel like so uyacula la wena ingcazo nencazo
achaza.
yeah
So like type yakho wena
like la way yeah ni 100
ni 100.
yeah
Okay.
not 10
So wena Choma like unjani umshito?
Alright, nahlobo lwakhe. Hlobo lakhe.
Why is it hlobo
Okay,
lakhe?
fine. Ukuqala ndiyamazi yabo.
Hayi yami ngikwazi.
Okay, zathina.
Type yakho new type yakho. Asmoyira.
Okay.
No hard feelings.
Like no hard feelings.
Yeah.
He's not my type. Nah, ndithanda abantu abade. Yeah.
I'm rate on a scale of 1 to 10 mpaba.
7.
7. Okay.
Seven.
I have a car. Yeah, I have a car. Okay, no hard feelings. Okay, let's listen. Okay, hi guys. So guys, I'm back. Mina umnyumbi ke ngabo aviwe lona guys. Hi aviwe.
Hi,
Njani?
right now.
Nami right la we. Jobe London. Jobe London. Awe boy.
yeah tha
Kamxelela ukuthi Jobe kanjani?
kamnoti ujobo dlala kamnandi
Dear boy.
se ngolo fethi utrend ngathi manikho trend balukwazi igama lakho Joe aviwe so bathi mina xa ngibiza ngosiya yabo bathi xa liphelele ngisiyaxola so ke ngoku wena aviwe bra like I see you like umuntu enjani like personally ke
Baba ngitshela ungaze ngabuza umisilungu yabase
Personally. Hayi bo. If unohlala nami uzobona.
okay sure so ngoku like awuthina manqale ukuthi like umhle fethu yabo but so like into ndihitile into ndiyibolile apha kuwe you are nice bro awunto trend so wena balo ndazi bani ngumuntu njani ubona ke mna ke manje ngumuntu oshayi but ngiyathanda uthetha yanibona nangoku so like iyajola kanye
And we see too many niggas, we cry.
ngathi manje ndiyazenza yabo mfuna uxoxa ndiyazenza but like xa ngikubonayo ngondishaye ndiyazi ba why
So ndikwenza shy.
yeah I think that is the luthando kolo
Hayi. Yeah.
but I understand ne but iyaqala ngibona yabo since like alone ke number yakho like sikwazane ke ngcono kan usibashayo bo khuleka brother
Jobe kanjani?
yeah da
Awe Jobe. Uthi mlandi zana.
100
Hamba trend.
Yeah.
Aliphazamisa?
da
Sobe sawugqiba na. Kunjani?
kaphini ja
Like kunjani right?
how trend yena
Wife material.
like yeah niyazi dala but no trend yena
Come rate mpabani na 200.
nimbo 98
98. Okay. Have you? Njani job? Like ungajola naye? Why? Type yakho.
Hayi.
Okay, mpabani kana out of 10.
38.
Okay. Ingosi ne. Okay, sasa khangela job, sizakhangela sisixosa. Sawukhangela job aningi job, bakhala amajob elanda. Ujob unenhlahla namhlanje guys, job eniphathele girls versus one. Hi sisi.
Hey.
Njani?
Right.
Wona mbe right. Ndama no job ke apho job elanda. Intwana yamantu khala intombi zimsele lo mfana. Yabo. Otherwise London.
yeah da
Wokugcina lo.
semolo chona
Hayi.
njani
Right wena.
and right now man chona
Athethile Michael Josa.
okay so ashon right now mchom so chom mina bathi ngagcibile kanye ngibani
Agcobile ya.
oh so I know ndiyangathi siyazana mose yabo but asana lo hlobo sisana ngobonana ne
Yeah.
elazi igama lami kanye
Not really.
oh so ngisiya ke mna ke fethu yabo lapha kwa 3 yabo nginithandayo thanda abantu bafana nawe Joe
Relax.
so wena like ngathi uthanda ntoni
Thina ntoni?
itype la kabafana kama ndicho itype yakho ngeyiphi
Umuntu wami type yami.
umuntu wakho oh so like umuntu wakho ufunda besikolweni okanye
Yeah, he's doing grade 12.
okay so like mna like ngihlobo nibona ngalo mane asibazi like bali bayi friend yakho Joe
Oh no.
sayiseba ngumuntu wa trend fit
Yeah, umuntu grade but not for me.
like wena umuntu wa trend
Oh yeah, thank you.
so like awuyanibhida la we like uthi umzekelo like uthi aboli bayichomi yami umuntu wakuza kukhweleta okanye wena
Besides ukhweleta, you're not in my league.
okay so uthi ngokuthi ndandika ku league yakho like wena uyi Premier League mandi di DStv but uyadlala nje uyibhola uzwana okay so but benitsala fit bengicela number yakho just nje
Oh no, why would I give you my number?
Yes, not nice, Papa. I told you, you can eat more white.
like niqala into nesiqalo phinde benesiphelo la ngifuna isiqalo like isiqalo
Andifuna ukuqala nawe.
afuna okay so fit
Jobe nanta. Jobe kanjani?
akho yekho
Mnandi kanjani?
akho nto mantama
Unjani? Unjani sisi? Yakusokolisa ne?
trend yena hlobo lwakhe
So like wamphabani yena?
ndimpo 6
Out of 10 ku 6.
yeah
Uphufu.
ban
Upho uphi?
awufe kamfonelanga
Why?
because of yeah umhle yena ulendlela yakhe
But why is it amfanelanga?
like umfu umncinci for yena
So wena sisi like unjani uJobe? Jobe wena nasi.
Alright, but he's not on my league.
Okay, so AP league yakho wena kamcacise hlamba kakuphi uJobe?
Uyandiva, uyayazi. Bandibilisha ntoni?
So umpha abantu wena top 10. One. Xoxa camera umpha ba uJobe.
One.
Okay. Guys umpha one.
I go with type yam.
Okay, yeah, nimhlukumezile Jobe basebaningi boy. So guys, I'm with Jobe right now. uJobe masabe sikhangela omnye guys because hey uJobe urequestile and like ufuna nyani babies unako please come here. Yabo lo ngokucina boy. Ngokucina boy Tito Jobe izanokucebisa jo. Yebo xa filo.
Flow is like wheels in a bus. Who's at the top? It's us. No they proud they gus. Qin on khulena ngamas. Bagcwele ngodola imali ezinkulu. If awugcwala uyavuza kakhulu. Let's get to the money. I'm talking isikhundo. Shia mani.
Njani? Nami right. Namba no Jobe ke apho Jobe London. Umjonge kahle umfana wetekisi. Khala abantwana bathi udlala ngemali. uJobe ke lo Jobe. Ucina boy.
So usumbatho ngubani wena la wena?
Unako.
Oh so unako so vile mana ngisiya Joe. Yabo like ayundinganga ngifuna incokola cha beniba lokwazi yabo like ba uthetha nawe la ngithi sibe sichomi ke. Yabo akho ndingakho. Yabona lo trend la yabo. Yafethu.
Okay.
So ngichomi ke xa sesithetha ke ngowena yabo. Like yabongo ngathi ndinever ngisketch andiyazi bayinto but since ngibuthetha nawe ndakhuleka la way yabo so wena chomi ke ngoku like uyajola kanye ngumuntu nje oziphilelayo okay so siyafana fethu yabo nami ngumuntu oziphilelayo yabo so I think ngaba imatch hlobo endibona ngalo but into nesiqala siyaqala sibe sichomi
Okay.
Okay, so chomi ngicela number yakho chomi and Facebook name.
I suppose like you take Facebook name in front of the camera.
Yeah, but singathetha after sigqiba kwenza le way.
Jobe kanjani? Say Jobe. Wama njani boy?
Ah, ngiyamatrend.
Incasa ne?
Yeah.
Kamjobe ebusweni, kamxelele ukuthi incasa.
Ngishana bhafi.
What's up? So umpha bani yena?
Hayi la ngu10 of 10.
10 out of 10, um10 ke wena sisa. So wena ngulo wakhe ambonayo like uyitype yakhe nganto yonke wena. Yabo? Jobe ke yena ke. Otherwise Jobe ngajola naye ne.
Yo ta. La wena futhi ngasike. Yo.
If ungajola naye ngamsaphi, ngamkhupha umsiphi boy.
Bangajola naye.
Yeah, ngamxelele.
Ngipholeyo ta like ndithi mangayipha kude ndiyihlanda nje Hemingways ndilapha nje yabo singabe kude
So wait. Unako?
Yes.
Ngijobe like type yakho like unjani Jobe?
Alright.
Okay. So uyathetha ne like
Yeah.
ungajola naye. Wajola naye ne. So out of 10 umpaba 5. So uniki half wena la way so uthi ngajola type yakho ne. Okay. Why if ungada ufuni so anomphi hug kuJobe like hug anyana.
We tell us start off as friends, so
Okay, Jobe. Okay. Okay. Jobe boy. I'll pick in. So ngebung. So zamogqibela ngosomkhangela ogqibela.
Okay.
Biza mna lelethu. Uzahamba na 5 minutes. Uzapha lele. Come face. Zapha. Jobe.
Yeah ta.
Sikhangele omnye boy. Nangu grade 12 jonga Jobe.
Khona sibabalu.
Jonga Jobe. Relax ucebe umuntu wakhe lo. Uceba face udala ngajole une 6 months ngicela ube ngumuntu. Hi.
hello.
Njani?
Njabuna.
Dimnandi nami yamazi bangibalo. uJobe London, uJobe kanjani udlala ngemali. Uqhubisa amatekisi bakhala ngayo imbokotho yaspenda lo mfana. Jobe.
Yeah ta.
Dala watch you down my bro. Sondele Jobe.
What is your
Hello.
trend?
Njabuna.
Trend man. Xolo chomani undiyenza inhloni man la way. I don't know why. Okay, so utsho mina xa sesithethe ke ngoyabona ke ungathi ungumntu njani okanye asiqala apha bhala igama lakho
Lelethu.
oh Lelethu oh shame Lelethu yasho so Lelethu like to me I'm like Lelethu
You are shaking, my guy. Even shaking was not nice.
So like noba uyazi ngamo bawela like noba into na the free like oba ulundazi ke mna ke like undazi bana into njalo yayi ngiyabawela nje ukwazi
I really got the juice, got the sauce,